A salesman is allowed 12% commission on sales up to 15,000. He gets additional bonus of 1% on sales made over 15,000. If the total earnings is 7650, find total sales made by him. Clear है? Again the same scenario. उसको 12% commission मिलता है on the sales up to 15,000. And on the sales above, he gets 13% because he gets additional 1% bonus. So 12 plus 1 he gets. अब उसकी total earnings 76, his total commission is 7650. Right? So now, again we say, let us say he decides that he will take 13% on the entire stuff. Right? So which means he gets 1% more commission here. Gets or not? Because 12 था 13 ले रहा है वो. So he gets 1% more. So 1% of 15,000 is 150. So he's taking 150 commission more. Which means उसको जो 7650 commission मिला उसमें वो और ये जोड़ देगा. तो उसको total commission 7,800 मिला. So this 7,800 is representing how much? 13%. Yes or no? So 1% will represent 600. So 100% is his sales. So that will be 60,000. So 60,000 is the answer for this. Clear? So by this method, we just are able to solve the sum in 5-10 seconds. A company allows 7% commission on total sales if salesman is appointed on fixed salary of 3,000 and 4% commission on sales more than 10,000. The salesman gets 800 more. Find total sales. So there are two scenarios. First scenario is he gets 7% commission on total sales. Now in another scenario, he gets a fixed salary of 3,000 and 4% commission on sales. So up to 10,000 sales, he gets 3,000 salary. And for 10,000 above, he gets 4% commission. Okay? So whatever commission he gets here and whatever commission he gets here, this figure is 800 more than this. So in this scenario, he got plus 800, which means difference between these two commission is 800 plus 800. अब total sales देखना है. So let us say, what I'm saying is, let me say that he decides to take 4% on the entire thing. Correct? So if he decides to take 4% on the entire sales here, then instead of 3,000, he would have got 4% of 1,000. That is, he would have got 400 rupees only. Yes or no? Which means he would have got 2,600 less here. Correct? Already he had 1,800 more. Now he got 2,600 less. So actually net effect कितना हो गया less? 2,200. हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? 2,600 minus 800. 1,800 I believe. Yes, 1,800. My mistake. So now net effect became, the difference between these two became 1,800. So now this total was 4%, this total was 7%. Now इन दोनों के बीच में difference कितना है? 3%. So 3% की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1,800. तो 1% की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 600. तो 100% की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 60,000. और 100% उसका सेल्स है, तो आंसर is 60,000. You understood what I did? I said that in second scenario, he decided that he will get 4% sales on the entire sales, which means instead of getting 3,000, he would have got only 4% on 10,000, which is 400, which means he would have got 2,600 less, which means इन दोनों का difference already 800 था और 2,600 कम हो गया, तो difference 1,800 हो गया. Now इन दोनों सिनेरियो के बीच में डिफरेंस 1800 है, परसेंटेज 7 और 4 के बीच में 3% है, तो 3% 1800, 100% 60,000. ओके, लेट्स मूव अहेड. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.